lovelies! So today I am here because I'm hoping to do the first of a series of transformation videos. I don't know if they will be done super regularly, but something I want to start doing on my channel as often as I can, sometimes by myself, sometimes with special guests, and today I am going to be doing a goth to kawaii transformation. So if you are used to my channel, if you've been here for a long time, you guys know that my style does tend to be on the darker end of the fashion spectrum, but you probably also know that I adore anything pink and cute and fluffy, and so today's transformation is actually going to be something that I quite enjoy and is going to be a style that I would like to wear much more often if I had the wardrobe to allow it. I don't have a ton of clothes that sort of facilitate a kawaii outfit, but I did get a couple of key pieces from kawaii goods that are going to be the main staple of today's outfit for my transformation. And they are this super cute hoodie. It has a little bunny. You'll see it better when I wear it, but yeah, and it has like bandage details down it and stuff, and it is just super cute. And then there are these super cute leggings, and they're covered in little bandits and syringes and other cute things. I actually thought these were going to be pink and blue rather than pink and purple. I must have got mixed up, but they are still very, very cute. So one leg is pink and one leg is purple. So yeah, today's outfit is, I was going to call it goth to Menhera transformation, which is a specific type of fashion. But I decided to say just kawaii as like a sort of broader term because, as I say, I don't have a lot of clothes that sort of work with that style, and so it might not be strictly Menhera, and I know some people are very, very, you know, sort of like specific on what it is, so I thought I'd use a more general term, but today's outfit is definitely going to be very, very Menhera slash maybe a little bit Decora inspired. So that's enough of me talking, let's go transform. Okay, here we go. I honestly don't really know what I'm doing. I kind of hate like trying new makeup styles for the first time on camera because it's too much pressure. But I will do my best. So as I say, a lot of this is going to be inspired by Menhera fashion, so I guess we are going to go for something in that realm, which is quite suiting today because I'm actually so ill. But I am powering through. So what palettes do I have here? I think I'm going to start with my Creepy Cute palette. Big ol' fluffy brush. So I am taking the pink color and just kind of going the whole way around my eye. Really bringing it out. Because we want to look cute, but also kind of like we're dying. I'm also going to, I've never done this before, I'm really afraid of it going wrong, but I'm going to try to blush my nose a little bit with the same color, because I see that quite a lot with Menhera, you know, because it gives a kind of sick look. So, but I always work, because like my nose is like, it works better on like cute little noses. I have a really big nose, so I feel like it just isn't the same, but I will try. Okay, so now I need to find a slightly more vibrant pink, I think. Probably not quite that vibrant. I might just use this blush actually. Don't really know if it would be common to use highlighter in this type of look, but I am just going to use a little bit of the sort of like pink one just to go with all the other pink on my face, but just a little, because it kind of gives that weird pink glow. Okay, where do we go from here? So I'm going to try to do some eye enlarging makeup just to add to the cute side of things. Oh no! I'm at that point where I want to give up and go back to bed, but a lot of makeup looks absolutely, oh my goodness, terrible whenever you're only partly way through, so hopefully it'll come together with the eyelashes and everything else. I think I want to do some like white specklings, so I'm going to give that a go now. So I did plan on wearing lenses today, but they are just so missing. I cannot find them and I'm incredibly frustrated. So we're just gonna have to move on to the eyelashes. People always ask me like what my eyelashes are and where I get my eyelashes, and the honest answer is eBay. Always eBay. Like these bottom lashes right now are whatever this is, but I find them on eBay every time because I'm cheap. Next up I'm going to do another thing that I'm not sure will work very well on me because I have a big old nose, but I am going to pop a little band-aid right on the bridge of my nose. Like, not perfect. There. For lips, I am just going to use a little bit of lip stain. I got this when I was in Korea. It's from the Face Shop. I don't know if that's a Korean brand or just something they had out there. I just found it and thought it was cute. So now we need to go get the outfit, put that on, and then we can do the wig. So I will see you in a minute. Okay, messy pile of clothes, here we go. I was going to try to keep the entire outfit like 100% pastel, but the only pink shoes I have quite a bit of black in them, so I need to introduce some black bits into the clothes as well, otherwise I feel like it'll look a bit odd. So that is what we're doing. It is really, really warm today. I am going to die wearing this wig. I'm trying to come up with a backup plan in case I can't like deal with it when we're out, because my first time trying to glue a wig on. I think I'm just gonna have to settle with what I've got in terms of the wig because I'm not doing too well. Oh my god, it is so hot. Okay. Okay, so let's finish getting dressed and see the final look. And we are done. So this is the final look. And because I'm weird and like to coordinate everything, I am going to choose some perfume to go with this look, and I think I will go for Jailbait. Sorry about the name, but it smells like candy and bubblegum. And then also Snow Fairy, because again it just smells like candy and pear drops and just wonder, so I feel like those will fit the look. So all that's left now is to go out and experience a day dressed like this, which is for some reason making me nervous, which is weird because if you gave me this exact outfit and the same hair and just like everything except it was all black, I would feel like totally fine, totally normal, or even something like more extreme than this, but you know, in my usual style, I'd be fine. But because it's all light colors, for some reason I'm nervous. Like, I know I am going to get attention, which shockingly I do not really enjoy, but you know, I get that anyway, so nervous, excited, feeling kind of cute, but yeah. I've actually had a couple of people tell me that they like my outfit, so that's nice. And now we're getting lunch because I am very, very hungry and also terrified to eat because everything I'm wearing basically is light colored. I'm like, I don't want to, I'm too messy to dress like this, honestly, so. But you'll see, I'm so hungry and it is so warm. I am dying. Yeah, today actually hasn't been too bad. No one has been like openly rude. There's been a lot of like staring and gawking, but no one has like yelled or anything particularly bad. So yeah, it's not been the worst. I do get nervous with like everyone staring at me, but that's true of any day. So it has been quite a success, really. And that is the end of my day out wearing Yami Kawaii, I suppose, style for the first time. I am so tired. I was too sick for this today, but I did it. I had a good time. So thoughts on my outfit. I mostly liked it. I feel like I would have felt more comfortable in this, honestly, if I were like smaller in like every way, because I'm so tall and I'm still like a lot chunkier than I'd like to be, and it just like the whole thing made me feel just really like large and clunky. I feel like I would have enjoyed this a lot more if I were like smaller in some way, but that's just, you know, like my personal gripes. Other than that, I thought it was really cute. If I were to do it again though, and I had like more time and more, oh hello kitty, and more sort of like resources, I would definitely wear like a different top and skirt. I'd prefer to wear a dress really with this. I feel like the sort of ruffly poofy skirt with the really long hoodie didn't really go very well. And, you know, especially at the back, it like bunched up and stuff, so I definitely feel like this would do better with like a cute skater style dress, but I just didn't have one that suited, unfortunately, and this is the best I could do. And I think maybe some cute leg warmers or something as well to sort of, I would prefer the silhouette with like how the shoe meets my leg, if you get me. I don't know if I'm the only one that thinks about that kind of thing, but I feel like some cute like pink leg warmers would have done that. Yeah, but overall I was pretty happy. I definitely loved my pieces from Kawaii Goods. They're just so cute. I love this hoodie so much. I don't know how people wear like light colored clothing all of the time though, because anytime we sat down anywhere, if I leaned against anything, if I was like touching anything, I was like, I'm gonna get smudges. Like, the world is too dirty for cute clothes. In terms of like just generally how I felt out and wearing it, as I say, other than just feeling huge, it wasn't too bad. There was definitely a lot of people staring. Not too many people were like straight up rude to me. I kind of like a few people like kind of snickered, and a few people were just, you know, sort of like I could hear them talking behind my back as I walked on, and I was like, whatever. But no one was yelling or anything, which is a miracle because there's a lot of like school kids in town and stuff, and they're usually the worst. And a few people had very nice things to say, so it wasn't too bad. So that is my first in a series of proper transformation videos. I did do a style swap with my friend once where I transformed from my usual style into like a more normal style, but it was just makeup and we just did it in the house. So this is the first of hopefully a series of videos where I try out different styles and actually go out and wear them and do like the full thing. So I'm quite excited, and I think this was a good first run. So I am going to go. I'm outside in a minute because this is where my plants are and I like it out here. But I'm gonna go and relax and take this wig off before I scream. Do let me know what you thought of this video. Please leave a comment. This is like a video I've been putting off for a long time mostly because of YouTube's nonsense right now, and I just feel like I don't want to do a video that I'm excited to do because I don't want it to just flop because YouTube's not putting my videos out to people. So please, you know, leave a comment, give it a thumbs up, share it around. Like, this was something I was really excited to do and I really want to see it do well and see how you guys feel about it. Before you go, remember to check me out on Patreon and consider supporting me. Consider supporting me there. I'm so ill. Because it supports me and this channel a lot, and it will let me do more videos like this in the future. A big thank you to Kawaii Goods for sending me the pieces that I showed you in this video. I will leave a link to their stuff down below because it is wonderful. I had been obsessing over it for months. And I think that is everything. I will see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies.